I was in a motorcycle accident, and I've had quite a few surgeries relating to that, which has pretty well screwed up my hands. I did ask some doctors what are some of the other side effects to the medication that I'm on. Your teeth can become more brittle or softer, and that has been what's happened to me. I found myself covering my mouth when I smiled, was looking into something that would permanently solve those issues without necessarily putting a Band-Aid on it.
Ted's a really great guy. He's got an interesting story. He's suffered greatly over the past few years. To make it worse, his teeth started breaking down. He had a recent smile makeover that had failed because he was unable to take care of his teeth. And bit by bit, he started developing decay despite his best efforts, and his teeth were breaking down. He came to us, he was very uncomfortable, he was very anxious, and he was in a lot of pain. He wants to be outgoing, he wants to have conversations with people, be able to smile and relate to others and be sociable, and his appearance and his discomfort has really held him back. We hope that he can maintain the health of his new set of teeth. This is a new beginning, so I hope that it restores his confidence and his ability to socialize and his smile, but also that he's pain-free and that he can maintain his results for life.
Oh, wow.
What do you think?
That's incredible. That is absolutely incredible. It was amazing that invasive surgery would actually be as painless as it actually was. It's been only a month, and I feel incredible with my smile. It's really nice to see that there are people out there that care, that are dedicated to restoring what we had or what we may never have had. It's amazing.